Alright guys, so another video for you guys with E92s, E90s, E93, E91. That you guys have the Xenon lights. If your low beam is not working after you change the Xenon bulb or the DS1, whichever you have, the next thing is to check your fuses, and then if the fuses are good, then you need ballast, the headlight control module. So yeah, mine was corroded because when I got the car, that headlight had like water on it inside. I opened the cap on top and all that moisture came out, so I'm guessing that was the reason why it got wet. But yeah, let me show you guys what I mean. Alright, so this is the story. My driver's side low beam xenon light didn't work. I changed the bulb, nothing. So I checked my fuses after. They were all fine. It's 42 and 68. Those are the two fuses you need to check. So I opted to take, I didn't show you guys on the video, I'm sorry, I forgot about to record and show you guys. But I opted to change the ballast, the headlight control unit. As you can see, you need to take this side of the fender liner out to have access to it, and the wheel also. So first what you gotta do is jack up your car, take the wheel off, as you can see right here. Put the wheel there so you are secure, And next thing is take the liner out. It's held on by a lot of this 8mm screws, and that's about it. And then you just pull it out. So yeah, look at that, those are the two wires. So this is the ballast that was there. As you can see, it's all wet, corroded, all messed up. This is the new ballast, not new, this I got used. But as you can see, you see already the difference. This one got all wet, this one is clean, no damage at all. And yeah, so let's see if this works. I'm gonna put it on and I show you guys the headlights working. I'm just checking now. Yeah, the seal is totally fine. This thing has a seal here, so that you see the seal right there, so that water doesn't get from here. It was from the actual moisture on the headlight. So yeah, let me put it back on and I'm gonna show you guys the headlight working. See, my headlight now is working perfectly fine. So that's the issue. If your low beam doesn't work for some reason, what you gotta do is change your headlight ballast. It goes right here like that. It's held on by 4 Torx T20 Torx bolts, like this one. Yeah. So let me put everything back together. I hope you guys find this video useful, and so yeah, I hope you guys find this video useful. And now you know, if you have the low beam not working, check the fuses first, of course, and also the headlight bulb, before you do anything, and then change this part if nothing of the other things are wrong. So yeah, hit that like and subscribe button, and more videos coming up.